Hello friends, welcome to Vidich Academy, and in this section we are going to discuss about intersection of two straight lines with the help of an example. So here we need to find the point of intersection of the lines x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1. And this straight line is in the intercept form. And now let us convert this straight line in general form. That would be bx plus ay divided by the denominator ab is equal to 1. And then transferring b to the right hand side, we get bx plus ay is equal to ab. So that implies we get here bx plus ay minus ab is equal to 0. So let us name this straight line as equation 1. And then now let us convert the second straight line. So here we get ax plus by divided by ab is equal to 1. So that implies we get here ax plus by is equal to ab, and then we get ax plus by minus ab is equal to 0. And now let us name this equation as equation 2. So in order to find the point of intersection of these both straight lines, what we need to do is, first we need to consider the coefficient of y, then the constant term, and then coefficient of x, and at last the coefficient of y. So here the coefficient of y is a, so let us write a over here, then the constant term which is minus ab, then coefficient of x which is b, and at last the coefficient of y which is a. And then from second equation we get here b, then minus ab, then we get here a, and at last here we get b. So from here this step we get x by, and here we need to multiply these both terms. So here a into minus ab will be minus a square b minus of, by multiplying these both terms we get minus ab square, which is equal to y by, and now we need to multiply these both elements. So here minus ab into a will be minus a square b minus of, and here we need to multiply, so we get minus ab square, which is equal to 1 by, and we need to multiply these both elements. So here we get b square minus a square. So that implies we get here x by, and here by taking ab as the common factor, we get ab into minus a plus b, which is equal to y by ab into minus a plus of b, which is equal to 1 by, and here by using the formula we get b plus a into b minus a. So here b minus a from all the terms gets cancelled, and we are left with x by ab, which is equal to y by ab, which is equal to 1 by a plus b. So therefore the point of intersection of these both lines, that is coordinates of x comma y, will be equal to ab by a plus b comma ab by a plus b. So make a note of this method, or else there is a direct formula when L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and L2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, which are nothing but the intersecting lines. Then their point of intersection is given directly by the formula b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 comma c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the direct formula to find the point of intersection of two straight lines instead of this lengthy process. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos on this topic, visit our website Vidich Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.